Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, everyone. My name is Florida Mpengesi. I run a social network platform called ORU Social. I am the founder of the platform. The platform was initiated in 2016. It's a social network platform just like all the other social networks, but this one is completely meant to help entrepreneurs grow their businesses, because we found a problem when it comes to social networks and business. Many people on social network, they are busy with jokes and so many things. That is why many people, they'll post stuff on the social media, but they don't get traction, they don't get followers, or they don't get people or converted clients. So our platform is helping you to find the right clients, your target market and everything. So we help with advertising, with networking, meeting other businesses. It's a B2B, it's a multi-purpose social network platform tailored for entrepreneurs and corporates to make the most out of social media platforms. So we are a social media platform that is helping us to grow. We are the winners of the MTN App of the Year Awards 2017, which is now F&B App of the Year Awards. So our business is really helping businesses grow globally. We're a global social network platform. We cater for companies all over the world, corporates and entrepreneurs. Yes, ORU Social is unique and it's outstanding. It's got a lot of features that are good for business. Compared to our competitors, we've got a lot of features that can help your business to grow. We also have a marketplace where you can sell your products directly onto ORU Social. You've got your own wallet where you can receive funds and transfer them to your bank account directly from your clients right inside our platform. So we are very different from our competition. Okay. Find us on www.orusocial.com, orusocial.com. Our phone number 079-470-6706. It's a WhatsApp and a call. Then our email is oruadsinfo@gmail.com, oruadsinfo@gmail.com. My name is Florida Mpengesi and I am a Township Entrepreneur.